being in the, the Born Into club, there was no question that I was destined to enter the fish business. My name is Robert Wholey III. I've been coming to the Robert Wholey Company since I was 9 years old. My first job my father gave me was go pick up papers and see if you can find somebody stealing. Don't say anything, just look at them. Come back and tell me. And I'm still doing that today. Well, my grandfather in 1912 in McKees Rocks, PA, started the McKees Rocks Butter and Egg Store. Then my father took over the company after the war. He was a captain in the South Pacific Theater from 1941 to 1945.
My father was very dedicated to it. It was his passion, it was his love. We're very fortunate to be born into it. Like Bob said, there's 9 of us. We all pitched in some way or another. And it was a family farm that exists here and now. We all had our chores to do. We all had our jobs to do. It was a central focus of our family.
As it stands today, the Strip District is much like a shopping mall. There's an anchor at each end. Wholey's, and Bob's correct, Wholey's was, and other vendors will not deny this. They'll volunteer to it. Wholey's was the first in retail. We were the pioneers in retail, meaning catering to individual customers.
Saw this man help out people that really didn't have probably the means to pay for food in his establishment, and he gave them free food. I've witnessed that firsthand. So I thought it was a neat family business, a nice part of the community, and again, the best fish sandwich in the burg.
What's your favorite part about working here?
Shucking. I like to shuck it up, obviously. No,
What is shucking?
It's opening oysters, hanging out. Like, get a good oyster like this guy right here. Usually a lot of people do them by hand, but this thing is a shucker. And just crack it open in the back, it's always like a little crease. Just like a little pop. It's old fisherman style. guy. Be nice to him, take him out to dinner, talk to him. You know, each oyster has its own personality, so try to get like real in touch with it. And just put them on the ice like that. Yeah. We also got the Shuckinator 5000, which is this guy, which was invented by Mr. Robert Wholey. Bag. There you go. And then you just work your way around. Same thing. But all around, it's a good time. It's my favorite part.
All right, that's good.
Thing to help you guys. I always catch you guys.